Kapag Greek food ang usapan, sima talaga yung unang pumapasok sa isip ko. Medyo matagal na nung huli kami kumain dito and I'm so glad that we tried it again kasi ang sarap pa rin niya. This is their branch sa Trinoma Mall. We ordered their Roca Salata salad. Medyo pricey, 510 for a solo order pero marami naman yung serving nila. Ang sarap lahat ng combination ng ingredients ng salad na to. This has arugula, romaine, sun-dried tomatoes, candied walnuts, parmesan cheese shavings, and traditional Greek vinaigrette. Tatlo kami nag-share dito and enough naman yung serving niya for us to enjoy this. One of the best salads I've had in a while. Tatlo kami magkakasama and pare-parehas kami ng order, chicken gyro. Ang sarap nung kasama nitong fries, crispy and nakaka-addict kainin. Hot sauce yung kasama niyang dip and masarap siya pati ilagay dito sa chicken gyro. This has tzatziki, onions, parsley, tomatoes, lettuce, and honey mustard. This is so yummy. Enough lang yung sauce niya for me. The chicken was tender and I love the smoky flavor. Would love to try more pero sobrang nabusog na ako sa in-order namin. Kayo, ano yung must try niyo dito?